You are absolutely going to love this phone. Let's start by talking about its design. The new Note 10 follows the same tenets of evolved design and aims to create a fantastic end result from improving the little things. The Redmi Note 10 will be available in three gorgeous colors: the aqua green, the frost white, and the shadow black. And no prices for guessing, my favorite is the aqua green. Just look at those beauties. It will also have easy-to-access side-mounted fingerprint sensor with fantastic double-tap gestures to your voice assistant and to the control center, etc. And of course, that sleek 3D curve back as well. Guided by the thought of evolved design, we were able to make the Redmi Note 10 20.2 grams lighter and 0.6 millimeter thinner than the Redmi Note 9. And then when we thought about the display, we asked ourselves, why should Pro have all the fun? So we decided to make the Redmi Note 10 with a 16.33 centimeter, which is a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display. That's right, for the very first time, the classic Redmi Note comes with a Super AMOLED display, and that too, a full HD screen with a peak brightness of 1100 nits, which is 2x the brightness of the previous generation Redmi Note 9. Here's question number 8 on your screen. It also has 100% DCI P3 color gamut support, which means over a billion colors are possible, and a whopping 4.5 million is to 1 contrast ratio, which means a huge dynamic range between black and white, and a 180 Hz touch sampling rate for reduced input lag while gaming. But we didn't just stop at the display. We wanted to make this device as immersive as possible. And quite obviously, sound is a very important part of it. So we retained the high-res audio dual stereo speakers, which make you feel as if you're right in the middle of the action. We also improved the haptic feedback with the new Z-axis motor to provide a fresher, more engaging experience, which enables over 150 different vibration patterns for calls, messages, notifications, and so on. And we have a 360-degree ambient light sensor that helps adjust the brightness of your screen automatically, regardless of whether it's in the middle of the night when you're picking up the phone to check your notification or you're outdoors in bright sunlight. It also comes with Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 to protect the phone from unwanted scratches, and we have pre-applied a screen guard out of the box. So once again, to sum up the evolved design features on the phone comes in 3 gorgeous colors: the aqua green, frost white, and shadow black. It will come with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and that beautiful 3D curved back. It has a brilliant 16.33 centimeter, which is 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with 1100 nits of peak brightness and that 100% DCI P3 color gamut support. It has full immersion with the dual stereo speakers and Z-axis haptics. And of course, it has loads of fun-filled and utility-based features. And all these things together make the Redmi Note 10 the actual champion. Now, a design like that will of course require performance to match, which is why we are proud to unveil for the first time in India the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678. If you guys thought you liked the Snapdragon 675 in some of our previous phones, you will absolutely love its successor, the 678. The Snapdragon 678 comes with the octa-core Kryo 460, which clocks up to 2.2 GHz. It comes with an Adreno 612 GPU, which runs at 895 MHz, making your gaming experience even more smoother. It will also have the Qualcomm Spectra 250L ISP to handle all of your photos and process them a lot faster. Let's compare the 678 to the Snapdragon 675 and the Helio G85. Just look at how the 678 absolutely leaps beyond both of them. And of course, to regulate the thermals, we have designed the Redmi Note 10 with dual layer of graphite sheets to ensure that the phone is comfortable to hold regardless of extreme performance conditions. It has up to 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, along with a 2+1 SIM card slot with a dedicated space for a micro SD card, which can support up to 512 GB of expandable storage. This makes the Redmi Note 10 capable of handling any task with ease. The device comes with MIUI 12, which is based on the latest Android 11 OS for a smooth user experience. And soon, it will have the new and improved MIUI 12.5. With it, you will have even more control than ever before, with uninstallable apps, removable apps, along with the core apps. So to sum it up, the new Redmi Note 10 will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 processor with the Adreno 612 GPU, up to 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, the new MIUI 12, a champion performance from a champion smartphone. So we've spoken about the design, we've spoken about the performance. Did you think we forgot about the camera? Of course not. The Redmi Note 10 continues the trend of providing one of the best cameras in the mid-premium segment. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera with a Sony IMX582 sensor that can capture amazing photographs and videos. Just look at the level of detail out there. We have also included an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those beautiful scenic shots and landscapes. It also comes with a 2-megapixel macro lens for getting absolutely close and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for those stunning portrait shots. That great, our night mode software does an incredible job of making every picture come to life, even in dim lit conditions. And if you're a selfie fan, you'll be able to impress everyone with our 13-megapixel in-display punch-hole camera housed behind a tiny 3.54mm in-display punch hole. Actually, you wouldn't believe how something so small could be so good. So once again, we have a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with a 13 megapixel in-display punch-hole camera with phenomenal night mode software. To shoulder the load of a high-performance phone like this, we obviously need a heavy-duty battery, which is why the Redmi Note 10 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. That's hours and hours of peak performance without having to think about the charger. Not just that, when you do have to charge, you won't have to wait too long. And that's because the Redmi Note 10 also comes with a 33-watt fast charger in the box. It charges the phone to a full 100% in just 74 minutes. And in just half an hour, takes the phone from 0 to 67%, which would last pretty much for an entire day. With this large battery and fast charging, you'll no longer be stuck waiting for the phone to charge. Question number 9 on the screen. Once again, the Redmi Note 10 has a 16.33 centimeters, which is a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1100 nits. It has a 48 megapixel quad camera setup with a Sony IMX582 sensor, also supporting an ultra-wide and macro lenses. It comes with India's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 processor and Adreno 612 GPU, which lets you watch, game and record at your heart's desire. It has a 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt fast charger in the box, presenting the Redmi Note 10, the new champion. Now, before we move on, all of you know how obsessed we are with providing you with the highest quality, which means we will always go that extra mile in designing for India, and you'll find all this and more in the Redmi Note 10 series. All the phones in the series come with a 3.5mm headphone jack
and a host of other features. And we are launching Redmi Note 10 in 2 different memory variants, with 4GB and 64GB and 6GB and 128GB. And the honest price of 4GB 64GB is rupees 11,999, and the honest price of 6GB 128GB is only rupees 13,999. So when and where can you buy these incredible smartphones? All of these 3 phones, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 will be available on Mi.com, Amazon.in and our Mi Home stores, and will be soon available across tens of thousands of our retail partners.